Yeah, hi, this is Dan from Bob's Radio and TV in Oceano, California again. I want to show you another Aurora-design incredible product. This is a paradigm in vibrator replacements. You can see this thing is the size of a dime. This is 2 boards for negative ground or positive ground applications. That's it, 6-volt negative ground applications. There's also one for farm radios, but that's no big deal. But the car radio ones, this is the big shift. And I'm going to show you what this board can do for you and not having callbacks. We are listening to the radio. You can see the current and the B+ voltage. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to short across the secondary of the power transformer. Hard short. There it is. Watch that. The board is trying to turn back on to look to see if it's safe to run it. It can run all day like this. The transformer won't get hot and the vibrator module will not get hot. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the short and watch what happens. Radio starts playing. How about this one, guys? We're going to take the B+. Hard short. Boy, you hear that nice snap? Look at that. We're safe and protected. Now we're going to disconnect it and we're back to go. Next thing I'm going to show is I've got this set up for negative ground. I am going to take my power leads. I'm going to take the positive, which you probably can't see me doing. And I got the positive, and now you'll see my meter dive down. Good old analog meter can take it. See the meter dive downwards. It is no B+. No problem. I don't want to hurt my meter that much, so now I'm going to return it back to its original configuration. And now watch that. We're back there. Next thing I'm going to show is I'm using solid state rectifiers in here. I'm going to short across one of the rectifiers. How do you like that? You're not going to get a radio back. You got a problem with the radio, it's going to need to be fixed, but the vibrator is not bad. This vibrator is so reliable that you have 2 choices. You can mount the vibrator. You can see this thing on legs here for demonstration purposes, but this vibrator in all reality could be hardwired in the bottom and you aren't going to see it back again. Other option is take a disc grinder, sand off your base nice and clean, take 3 pieces of bus wire, stand it in there, 1 bead of JB weld, stand your vibrator. If you want to do an inventory of these vibrators, do your negative ground 3-pin, 4-pin, 5-pin. And if you're doing synchronous vibrators, you just need to add 2 diodes. But you've got a bulletproof unit, and I'm sitting here and we've shorted it out. This thing's just cold to the touch. So what we have is a bulletproof vibrator replacement that is going to take headaches away on reverse polarity. The biggest thing is the reverse polarity connections. That's gone. You'll never have to deal with it again. So, at any rate, again, insist on an Aurora design products for any of your automotive needs. This is absolutely cutting edge technology and there is a whole lot more to come. Thank you for viewing.